Hey there, Picture Perfect people. Just want to give you the what's what in terms of everything that's coming up for December 2019 at Picture Perfect Lawn Maintenance. As you probably know, it's getting very cold outside. We had some extremely abnormally cold weather blow through in November, and that was just a teaser for what's to come this winter. So as things cool down, slow down, everything comes to kind of a freeze in and of itself, both in terms of the way that the grass is growing, the way that it's looking, and operations at Picture Perfect. In the month of December, our fertilizer crew is finishing the final treatment of the year for our standard programs, and this is the lime application that we do. In years past, we've done lime at the same time as aeration and seeding in the fall, but recent studies are starting to show that there can be kind of a conflict of interest where the lime and the starter fertilizer's phosphorus is concerned. The lime basically inhibits the absorption and incorporation of that phosphorus into the soil system, making it pointless, which is the opposite of what we want. So we've pushed the lime back to this application, this December treatment, to be able to give more of a buffer between the two. As needed, when appropriate with this application, spot weed control will be done as well for any winter weeds that are starting to break through. But if you have any questions about that kind of coverage, let us know. In addition to that, if you have signed up for Picture Perfect corrective treatments this year, that's most likely going to be done with that second part during this lime application. Either a much higher rate of the lime being applied, a different type of lime being applied, or something extra, depending on your conversation with Brandon. So officially, this is the last call for 2019 corrective treatments. If you have any questions about that, just let our team know. Gearing up for December also marks the end of the Movember campaign that we were doing all during November. So I'm going to go over to mustache wearing manly Katie to tell you one more time why Movember has been so important. Yes, hello, it is I, Manly Mustache Katie. I appreciate that you guys have been following our journey for Movember. If you didn't check out my original video with my puny mustache, be sure to go do that, because as you can see, it has grown out very handsomely, and I'm very proud of my mustache growing abilities. What I'm even more proud of is the awesome response that our lawn care related community has given to this Movember effort. Raising awareness regarding men's health issues is vital to our community because there are so many men that are working themselves to death in this industry. It doesn't matter how much you give to your efforts at work, to your family at home, or to anything else that you're invested in if you're not taking care of yourself. Everybody around you, other men included, myself included, my mustache included, wants you to take care of yourself. This means investing in preventative health measures. Go to the doctor for checkups to make sure the pipes are running the way that they're supposed to. And eat healthy, stay active, not just so that you look good, but so that you feel better. And in terms of feeling better, have some introspection for breakfast. Take a look at what is causing you stress and what is causing you unhappiness, and take the measures to do something about it. Find people to talk to, whether it's your family members, your friends, or a professional. If your mental health isn't there, it doesn't matter how healthy your body is. I would say that I'm sad to be retiring my mustache, but I'm not, because I'm not retiring my mustache. This is a part of my soul now, and you can bet your bottom dollar it's going to be even longer next year. December is the first of several months behind the scenes where we're a lot busier in the office than we are in the field. There is a ton of planning, financial, schedule, everything else going on during this time period because we're able to have everybody come in to meet as a team. As a result, because there's less to talk about during the winter, because it's miserable for me to record outside where you enjoy looking at the green grass behind me during the winter, and because there's a lot of other things going on, we're going to be taking a pause in terms of most content like this for a while until things settle out and catch up. That aside, I do have a couple of things coming for you guys later in December. There's one video that we've got coming out that is all about the issues that new build construction causes in terms of soil quality and the potential to establish a healthy lawn. I'm really excited about this video because it's something that I preach a lot because a lot of our clients are in new build neighborhoods. So I really hope that you guys will watch for that video because it's probably my favorite thing that we've done so far. Alright, so that pretty much covers it. I appreciate you guys watching. If there's anything that you have questions on, be sure to comment below. Of course, subscribe so that when we do have something come out, you're able to see it. And I hope that you have a picture-perfect day and a picture-perfect holiday season with your family.